Hello folks, my name is Henry Rollins. We're here in wonderful pastoral Santa Cruz, and you're watching the Cornholes. Oh boy, I bet you're in for a lot of good entertainment. There's nothing like the Cornholes. Akira Kurosawa couldn't have envisioned anything this fantastic. Ooh, never touch your dial. Just watch the Cornholes. It's very good.
Love is always sweeter when it's borrowed. I feel a little easier tomorrow. Give my secret away. Be careful what you say. I'll get your stick. Don't mention my name. I'll get your stick. Give her you can. Mention my name. Mention my name. Mention my name. Wherever you can. Mention my name. Wherever you can. Mention my name. Mention my name. I'll give you a snake. Mention my name. Okay. Honey, I wasn't gonna hit you. Goddamn. I'm gonna hit you. I just came close, right here, but we don't hit.
Right there. Is that cold?
Yeah, that's good.
This is my chicken! No, wait. Go. This is my colonel! This is my chicken! This is my chicken! This is my chicken. This is my chicken. This is my chicken. I'm gonna keep Tahoe Blues. Cut. I'm gonna go get me some ice.
All right.
You have a key? Oh, stuff up there. This is my bucket. See this? You see this? This is my bucket. Hold on. My fucking eyes. This is my hotel. Nobody tells me what to do. My hotel. So sad.
What's so sad, shit teeth?
Man had to stay alone like me.
Are you staying alone in Truckee?
It's so beautiful.
But aren't you up here to see a dentist?
It's confidential. I didn't say I was up here to see a dentist. I said I was up here to see the Sierras. But it's so beautiful. I just want to share the moment with someone. Some lucky lady that built shit too. And I can't find her yet.
Shit teeth, why do you have a bucket of ice? A chicken bucket with ice in it?
To ice down my tears. It's good for beers. Most of all, ice is good for this. When you get hot, take a hot shower. It's like, this is my ice. See, this is my ice. These are God's tears. This is my ice. See what I mean? This isn't anybody's. I'm holding it. See, I'm holding this ice. So, this bucket right here in my lap. See, well, this is my ice. And if anybody tries to touch it, shit, you can go wild. You understand what I'm talking about? Well, I don't mean to be like that right now. I just want to sit here and reflect on the beauty of the Sierras and sit here with my eyes. Rather be sitting here with my girl. But you know what? Colonel Sanders in my eyes is good enough for me. Open the door. My eyes. Stand there, sit there. One song. But I'm sick. I'm sick. Let me in on the eyes. Let me in, little goblin. Little gremlin.
All right. Let me see some teeth. Up close.
Us show our show before their live show gets underway. So come on down to the Actors Theater, downtown Santa Cruz. It's kind of hard to find, but if you people out there who know about it, spread the word, please. We want people to show up. It would be nice. Maybe I can't get away with saying all this, but anyways, the Actors Theater is hosting live comedy on Sunday nights. The Actors Theater is holding live comedy on Sunday nights at 9 o'clock, with the Cornholes opening the show at 8:30 with live projections of the show onto the big screen. And it's the comedy show at the Actors Theater on Sunday nights at 9 o'clock. Make sure you're there at 8:30 to watch the Cornholes project their show onto the big screen.
I heard about you. Are you the finger man? I'm the finger man too. You know what I can do? I know how to multiply by 9. You in love, huh? What you gonna? Let me know.
No, that's all right.
Come on, Johnny. Don't be afraid.
I'm not Johnny, man.
I know, Tito. Tito el Grande. I I'm El Cyclone from Bolivia. One-man gang. This is my domain. Don't give me no gas. I'll jump on game. Don't give me no gas. I'll jump on your face, tattoo your chromosomes. This is basic math, but basic math is too easy for you. A lot of Kleenexes, there's gonna be a lot of bloodshed. You ever been to the beach? Yeah. You ever play with the sand? Finger man. Come on, finger man. You ever dig a hole? Mine is 2 + 2. I'll break your neck like a toothpick. Orale. You're waking up. Wake up this morning. How are you? Bring toothpicks. You pinch open your eyes. You understand what I mean, Jenny?
Swimming with dolphins, whispering imaginary numbers, looking for the 4th dimension.
Good.
Whispering.
Something about some cosmetology classes. He says there's 3 different levels. One for boys, one for girls, and one for I don't know what kind. Why don't you go find out?
Okay, well, please listen, man. Please listen, man.
You're acting like a blind man in a dark room looking for a black cat that isn't there. What's wrong? It could teach you a thing or two, Johnny.
Let him calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and the number is 666. It's happening now. Look, you can see this. Look, Satan's face is erect. That's what Iron Maiden's been trying to tell us. The apocalypse, it's happening now. It's happening now. They're trying to warn us. Don't you understand? These people are prophets.
You can't comprehend this sort of stuff. You have to listen to them. Iron Maiden, they want to tell us, they want to give us
All the information that we need. You gotta realize this. Completely
Hold on.
Skinner, I'm trying to watch Abraxas. It's a great movie. I like to see the trailer.
I don't know how to work with this at all. Come on, let's go from what we were doing before. Dude, this stuff is nonsense. Oh, shut up. Stop that. You're gonna destroy the prop, man. You are a prop. Give me some props. Spartans. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, be cooperative. Thank you. Okay, do it then. Do it then, shut up.
Mouth. Shut your face.
Alright, take it.
Please. Alright, we ready to go here? Is this outtake?
You ready for some of this?
What? Are you filming? For yourself.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, are we running? Are we gonna... Alright. Shit. Start, okay? Look, Satan's face over a rack. This is what I was talking about before. You can actually see his face in this this photograph here. Look, it's in the cloud. Now, this is very important. Don't you understand? Iron Maiden's trying to tell us something. Here, listen, I'll read from Revelations here in the Bible. It was permitted to give the life to the image of the beast, and the image of the beast shall doth speak, and cause whoever shall
worship the image of the beast should be killed, and will cause all, the great and the small, and the rich and the poor, and the free and the bond, to have a mark on their right hand or on their foreheads. For Christ's sake, you gotta listen to this stuff. And it will bring about that no one shall be able to buy or sell except him. And action. Oh. Listen to this, Mikey. This is what I was talking about. Satan's face. Beast of the sea. Beast of the sea. Beast. Beast of the sea. Beast of the sea. Beast of the sea. Beast. Number of the beast. The image of a man. Secundus. Secundus is the beast. Abraxas is our guardian. He's our savior. What does he bring to us? He brings to us what he brings to all of us. To all of us, he brings to us. That is what he brings. It is what it is. It is what it seems. It does not seem what it is, but it is what it is. And it seems that I have brought to us all the name of the guardian of the universe, Abraxas. And he who is the beast, he who hath understanding, knows that the number of the beast, 11,666, is Secundus. Secundus has come. He's come. He's come! Ah! He has the answer to life for creation! What are we gonna do? I don't know! Huh? Where is Secundus? Rome. Secundai is Secundus. Secundai. Secundai. Think of it, it's the plural of Secundus. You know what's happening? There'll be more of them. There'll be clones. They'll be coming down. They'll be coming down in pods. They'll be coming down all around us. They'll be running around the streets of Watsonville. My God, Watsonville. Watsonville. Watsonville has been invaded by Secundai. They're all over the place. Abraxas. Abraxas, I beseech thee, you must come. You must come and help us. Abraxas! Abraxas! You gotta help me. Abraxas. All right.
And the sample passer said, "You put the bugger up, you put it down."